Hey guys, I'm Ty, and you're watching the DJI Spark tutorial video series. In the past, controlling a DJI drone required either a remote controller or a smartphone. With Spark's new advanced gesture system, controllers and phones are no longer a requirement to fly. In this video, we'll show you how to launch, control, and land Spark all with the palm of your hand. Ready? All right, let's get started with palm launch. To perform a palm launch and use palm control, you'll first need to enable advanced gesture control. You can enable this option during activation, but if you didn't, don't worry. Just go to Visual Navigation Settings in DJI Go 4 to turn it on. While a mobile device or remote control isn't required to fly, we do recommend connecting one to the aircraft's Wi-Fi so you can take control in case of an emergency. For added safety, DJI also recommends installing propeller guards when using these functions. Now to get started, power on the aircraft, then place Spark on your palm with its nose facing toward you at eye level. When the rear LEDs start flashing yellow, tap the power button twice to launch faceware. When the camera detects your face, the front LEDs will flash green and the motors will start. When the front LEDs turn solid red, release Spark and the aircraft will hover in place. After performing a palm launch, the aircraft will automatically enter gesture mode. And from gesture mode, palm control allows you to fly Spark simply using hand and arm motions. To get started, stand a few feet away from Spark. Raise your arm and point your open palm towards the camera, keeping all your fingers fully extended and as close together as possible. Solid yellow front LEDs indicate Spark starting to recognize your palm. If the front LEDs flash yellow, and that means you're either too close or too far away from the aircraft. Go ahead and adjust your position accordingly. When the front LEDs turn solid green, Spark's ready for palm control. Now, slowly move your hand up, down, left, right, forward or backward, and Spark will move right along with you. Once you're comfortable with palm control, try some more advanced maneuvers. Wave your hand and Spark will fly backwards and up, then start tracking you. To take a selfie, hold up both hands and make a frame with your fingers. The front LEDs will flash red for 3 seconds, then Spark will snap a photo. When Spark is following you and you want to land, raise your arms up above your shoulders for 2 seconds, and Spark will fly right back to you. You can perform the same gesture to have Spark follow you if it isn't already, provided that the aircraft is still in the air. When you're finished flying, put your hand below Spark with its nose facing toward you, and the aircraft will land on your palm automatically. Well, that's how to control Spark just using your hands. In our next video, we'll take a look at Spark's 2 main flight modes. We'll see you next time, and thanks for watching.